For today's word study lesson, you will need to sign on to Schoology and find the assignment you see here. Earlier today, we talked about the suffixes able, able, and iblb, able. Both of them can sound like able. To base words to form adjectives. Just like Monday's lesson, we're adding suffixes to make adjectives. So following the same rules that we did on Monday's word study lesson, you're going to read the words in the yellow box, decide whether the word should have able added to the end of it or ible added to the end of it to form the correct adjective. Before you type, make sure your thinking is correct by using a dictionary. We're going to do one together. So let's read through these words first. Agree, honor, ed, behind my picture here is avoid, incred, viz, and break. I'm going to do agree. My thinking is to make my new adjective, I will add able to form the word agreeable. My thinking was correct. I checked in my dictionary, and agreeable is in fact spelled agreeable. You will now finish the rest of this page by going through each of the rest of the words and putting them in the correct column. Make sure it is spelled correctly before you hit submit assignment to your teacher.